Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It is also available in light and dark mode. As you can see, it is totally responsive website. That is, it is available in the mobile and tab version also. Definitely, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. So let's go on to the website. So this is the about page, the starting page. And here I have mentioned, you can see the box effect around each and every form thing that I do. That is web development, web design, YouTube, and for photography. We have integrated SVG files into here, icons. Then you can see the border effect around the image, and we have the icons, and you can see the box shadow effect around the icons. Then you can see the hover effect on the social media icons, and you can also see the hover effect on the companies. Then we have this swiper function, you can see moving from one to another. Then we can go to the resume section, and in the section, you can see how we neatly designed it using the CSS and CSS, and you can see this entire bar representation of the skills. Then we have portfolio section, and you can see in portfolio section we have applied filter. That is all. Then web development, we can will only get the web development projects, and in the web design we put only the web design projects. And you can see the hover effect and eye icon for demo section. So in all, we get every element that is present, every project that we have done. You can see the smooth hovering effect. Then we can go to the contact section. You can see in the contact section we have integrated the GPS. Then we have the contact form. You can see the red background around it. So until we enter any data, it will show red background, and when we enter the data, it will show that the user has entered. And for the email address also, if you enter the data also, it is not showing yellow color, but it's still showing that it is an error. So you have to mention at the date gmail.com to specify that yes, we have entered the Gmail. This is the validation. By using the JavaScript, I have done this validation form. So you have to mention every detail. And if you don't mention this message and if you try to submit the button, you can see error that it won't allow you to submit. So you have to mention some data in the message. Then it will allow you allow you to submit. And you can see the hover effect on the submit button. And you can change the uh, light mode to dark mode by using this icon. By clicking on this icon, you can move from light mode to dark mode. So now this is the light mode. You can see in website the background border colors have changed to white, pure white. You can see next we can go to the resume section and see the border effects and portfolio, the filter effect, and then contact section. You see the hover effect on the button. This website is entirely responsive. That is, it is also available in mobile as well as in desktop version. You can see this is the desktop version that we have seen up to now. Now let's go to the this is the you can see this is the tab version of the website, and we can see small button effect which reveals our email ID, personal details like place, date of birth and location, and our social media icons. Like by clicking on it, it will be made invisible. And you can see this is the tab version with the light mode. Then this website is also available on mobile version. Let me show you that. See the mobile version of this website. So here we can see this is the mobile version. You can see the button effect. Then you can see the navbar is available bottom to the page. We can go from here. here you can see this is the education section, resume, then portfolio, and you can see the filter here also, web development and web design, you can see, and then all. By using HTML, CSS and JavaScript combinedly, we have got this filter functionality for our website. Then we can go to the contact, and by using this button we can change the theme of the portfolio to light mode. You can see that. See the transition from light mode to dark mode, the button effects and the box shadow effects. So it gives you totally responsive website available in light and dark mode. If you want to build this project, the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. And full tutorials for responsive portfolios and for responsive websites are available with line-to-line code explanation. Please visit the channel. And if you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section which website you like the most and what website that you want me to build next. Thank you so much for your precious time.